Yeah, over baggage. So guys, yes, we need to stay here in Cebu for one night. So this is our hotel for one night.
Waterfront at the airport.
I prepare coffee, complimentary. Their beds. And there I am. And there, I don't know who is that guy over there. But see this Cebu Airport.
There's a strange,
We're facing the airport.
there's a strange guy that's supplied to the room.
So guys, so tomorrow, I think tomorrow, midnight?
Yeah, but before midnight.
Yeah, tomorrow midnight is our flight going to US. And it's from here in Cebu to Korea, and then Korea to
Seattle.
Seattle. So, yeah, see you guys later.
Find out what kind of tomato sauce, tomato
You want to order?
ketchup they have.
What you want to order? Pasta?
No, for French fries.
French fries? You can you can ask for it.
Bolognese,
right.
yes. The
Yeah, I'll
bolognese
take-
is red, yes.
Yeah, I'll take the balloons.
Bolognese.
Yeah. And oh, do I really? Okay. And the
Crispy calamares.
yeah, that's the octopus. I mean squid.
Oh, yes.
I'll take
Okay, one crispy calamares.
yes. And then drink is Sprite.
Sprite.
Can I still order a breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
American
That's anytime
breakfast.
po.
Yes,
Okay, what,
American breakfast.
what do you want, ma'am? American breakfast. For your egg, ma'am, what do you want po? You want sunny side up? Or you want...
Yes, sunny side.
Is there anything else, ma'am?
And can I have the drinks? Orange juice.
Fresh orange juice.
Yes.
Ay, hold on. I just check first, ma'am, if we have orange juice, ma'am. Have Okay, one fresh orange juice. Is there anything else, ma'am, answer? Or does it? Okay. May I repeat your order, ma'am, answer? One bolognese, one crispy calamares, and then one American breakfast, which is sunny side up, and then one Sprite for your drinks and one fresh orange juice. For your drinks, ma'am, sir, do you want me to serve first? Okay, serve
Be it
together.
later.
You
want?
serve
Yeah,
together?
later.
Yeah,
Okay,
later.
thank you so much. Your food should be ready in 25 minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're getting ready to for now we're still here in the hotel because our flight is in the middle of the night. It's midnight.
10 minutes after.
10 minutes after. Yeah, he's right. So the question is, I am excited already.
You don't sound it.
Not really, because because I'm thinking, or I worried about the what they call it, offload, because this is my first time to travel, and I don't really much know about the papers that I need. But before we travel, we go to immigration in Bohol and ask them what do I need? What do I need to get something, or what do I?
Exit.
Yeah, what do I need? What papers do I need to exit? And they said, you don't need much because you're with your husband. So I think what we have is the marriage contract, back and forth ticket, and back and forth ticket, and insurance, travel insurance. But my husband told me that I don't need travel insurance. But I try to get a travel insurance to my GCash, through my GCash. So if someone's asking if I'm excited, I'm not really for now. Maybe if I get through inside and with the immigration. So,
Once she's on the airplane.
because of the offload issue. So
Unload.
I update you later, guys.
We'll be there in 3 hours, 2 hours.
So guys, ready na kami sa aming gamit. Yan. And then, yan yung outfit natin sa biyahe. Tapos, mainit kasi to. I mean, mainit kasi dito. So, hindi muna natin to suotin mamaya na. So, nag-sleeveless lang ako ng black. Saka mamaya pag malamig na isusuot natin to. Yan. May binili pala kami kahapon before kami may binili kami. Yan. Yan guys. Para sa pag hindi ko kaya yung lamig, sasapawan ko yung damit ko. Pagdating ng Korea or pagdating ng US. Yan. Yan siya. Yan. Binili namin. Hopefully, gagana to sa akin. Kasi lamigin ako. Tapos, partner na bonnet. Yan. Partner na bonnet. Yan. So, wish me luck guys. Makapasa tayo sa BI or sa immigration. Sobrang lawak po guys ng airport nila. First time ko dito sa airport ng Cebu. Yes, sobrang lawak. Nandun pa sa Emerald pa yan sa kabila. Sobrang lawak guys. Saka may mga coffee shop dito sa loob. May doon yung souvenir shop doon banda. Yan.
What?
Just show your face. Ganda ng lounge nila dito guys. Sobrang ganda. Mas makita mo na yung mga airplane mamaya. Mamaya pa yung flight namin.
It's good.
Nakakita ako ng favorite ko guys, biryani. Tikman natin. Dito sa airport to guys, sa loob. Kasi na-okay na tayo sa immigration. So, kain tayo dito sa loob ng airport. So, may biryani. So, titikman natin kung masarap.
Hot.
Masarap guys. Parang original biryani. Nung natikman ko sa Middle East. Yum. Yummy, my love.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mmm. Yum.
You can tell Frankie.
I don't think so. Ang sarap, guys. It reminds me of Middle East Korean. I mean biryani.
Hmm?
Yummy. It's Middle East biryani. Reminds me in Middle East.
Middle East.
Yeah. Mmm. Ang sarap. Ano to guys? Indian biryani. Nakalagay sa menu nila. Indian biryani.
From Norway.
It's Indian. It's not from Norway.
It's like things sold in Seattle or the U.S. Built in China.
So sarap guys. Pero masarap yung ano nila, biryani dito sa Asian cuisine. It's a Asian kitchen inside the airport in Cebu. Ang sarap
Terminal
feel.
2.
Yeah, Terminal 2. Oh, feel like biryani also. My friend in ICM, she like also the biryani. Sa ano, gate namin. Flight namin kasi midnight. So, tapos yung boarding time namin is 11:30. So, papunta na kami doon. Ito yung pagkain nila dito guys. Orderin namin ngayon. Tapos, bukas i-serve nila in the morning before we land in Korea. So nice. Okay, that's nice. Sana maganda yung tulog ko guys. Kasi kunti lang yung tulog namin. Bye Philippines. Bye Philippines. See you next month. See you soon. No, 2 months. 2 months and a half, I think. Or more than. Bye, Philippines. See you soon, Korea. Korean abi guys. We're landing in Korea. Hi Korea.
your cooperation.
Hi guys. Nandito na kami sa Korea. Nandito kami sa ano nila, waiting area nila sa next flight namin. Medyo mahirap pala dito hanapin yung pupuntahan mo kasi wala kang mapagtanungan. Hindi nila alam masyado yung salita international language. So, nahirapan kami. Pero, nahanap namin katagalan. Nandito kami, guys. Ito yung breakfast namin dito sa Korea, guys. Ayan. Marami namang choices, pero ito yung napili ko.
Got such a small spoon for that.
Tikman natin yung lugaw nila, guys. Lugaw to sa atin eh. Nilagyan lang nila ng mga seasoning. Tasteless, love. No taste. Walang asin yung lugaw nila, guys. Walang asin yung lugaw nila. Kaya pala siguro yung may asin dun kasi sa may igbanda eh. Baka pwede mong ilagay sa lugaw. Pwede ba yun, guys? Sino nakatry na dito sa Korea? Yung itlog nila may asin. Sa atin kasi sa mga Bisaya, sa Mindanao, yung maglugaw, pwede asin lang ilalagay. Tingnan mo yung itlog nila, guys. Brown. So, ito yung ilagay natin sa lugaw. Kasi wala namang lasa eh. Baka pareho lang din walang lasa. Tapos, nakikita ko lang dati to sa video. Yung itlog nila na brown. Ngayon ko lang matitikman ko anong lasa. May lasa na siya, guys. Parang binabad sa asin. May ano na siya. Lasang asin na siya. Their egg, my love, is a little bit salt inside.
Huh?
It's a processed egg. There's a taste salt inside. Lugaw tayo, guys, with egg. Yeah, I like it. Business class pala kami, guys. Kaya, free yung mga pagkain dito. Kasama sa binayaran. Parang itulukan. Kain ka lang. Hanggat gusto mo. In fairness, masarap yung itlog nila. Parang processed food siya, processed egg. Parang itlog maalat sa atin, pero yung itlog maalat, sobrang alat naman yun. Ito, parang sandali lang nila na process. Nagtatalo kami ng nipple kanina. Kasi sa akin siya tanong kung saan kami pupunta. Sabi ko, bakit ka ba tanong ng tanong sa akin? Ikaw naman nakakaalam dito kasi ilang beses ka na nakapunta dito. Bakit sa akin ka nagtatanong? Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito. Orang naaasar kasi siya, natanong siya ng tanong sa akin, wala akong alam. Ano bang alam ko dito? First time ko. Parang naaasar siya sa akin na wala akong alam. Lala, bakit ka naman ano sa akin na wala naman talaga akong alam kasi first time ko dito. Naasar na rin ako. Kasi wala kang pwedeng pagtanungan kasi hindi lang masyadong yung mga tao dito sa airport, hindi lang masyado naiintindihan yung English. So, sariling sikap. Kaya naaasar na rin siya kasi lakad siya ng lakad. Hindi na rin siya pwede maglakad ng malayo. Ang laki kaya ng airport nila. Ako pa yung tanongin niya eh. Mang to, first time ko dito. Siya, nakailang beses na dito eh. I think 4 na beses na siya dito. Sabihin niya, every punta niya dito, nagbabago. Ano kaya yun? Yung nagbago, wala naman. Sabi niya, nakapunta na daw siya dito. Alam mo naman pala, bakit ako tinatanong mo? Nagtalo na kami. Ako yung tanongin. Asar siya sa akin kasi wala akong alam. Asar na rin ako kasi siya ang may alam. Kailang beses na kaya siya dito? 4 na beses na yata. Gusto ko yung itlog nilagay. Masarap. Tapos yung tubig nila dito ganito. Masarap yung itlog. Medyo may asin na siya sa ilalang. Pero hindi siya masyado maalat. Konting asin lang sa loob. Gusto ko yung ano nila dito, lounge nila guys, kasi walang music. Kaya pwede ka magdaldal, walang copyright. Maingay nga lang, pero okay lang yan. Kasi nasa public naman tayo eh. See you, USA! Feeling ko totoo siya guys. Pero hinawakan ko yung isa, yung dahon dun sa kabila. Totoo siya. Napunit siya. At saka yung pink, parang totoo siya kasi natuyo na yung sa baba oh. Pero yung pink, I'm not sure kung totoo siya. Hindi ko sure guys. Nasa Incheon, Korea ako guys.